Hi everyone, since our last blindfolded shopping challenge did so well, I am back at my favorite store, Anupam Stationery, and I have my favorite blindfold with me, which I will put on right away. So now I have my shopping bag with me. I'm just going to feel and try to guess what art item I have in my hand and what color it is. And in the end, I have to make something with the help of all the items that I've picked up. I have to use every item. So that's it. This is a blindfolded stationery shopping challenge. Let's go. Okay, so I am starting off with this section. This feels like a glue bottle, but I think this might be paint. This is so difficult. Clothes was easier because I could feel and know if this is a top or if this is a dress. But art supplies are more difficult. I know this. These have to be the glass stain colors. With which you stain glass ke decor. This has to be that, but I won't pick it up because I don't think I'm going to make something on glass. I think I'll go on to the other side. I dropped something. I think this is a poster or acrylic paint bottle. I have one of these at home, so I can feel and tell that this is one. This feels like white. I'm not very sure. I think I'll pick a smaller bottle because I don't need a big bottle. Oh, these feel like... These are paints. This is a paint ka set. Tube ka set hoga. I think I want to try and look for poster colors. Oh, this feels like poster colors. Green color ka dabba aata na. This feels like that. I'm going to put this in my bag. But I need paint brushes. These also feel like tube colors. I'm gonna put it back. I think this might be the whole colors range there. Now this feels like probably a brush set or those tools. Oh, professionals use karte wo wale. I'm not gonna take it. I just want normal brushes. Oh, these are pencils. I'm gonna keep one. I hope this is not a very expensive one. Because I don't sketch, so I don't need a proper sketching or charcoal pencil. So this is a pen for sure. I'll explore the pens before picking the right one. I don't want to pick the first one that comes in my hand. These are markers. Ooh, I'm sure this will be a very colorful section I'm in right now. And this will be very pleasing because this is going to be color coordinated. Oh wow. I think I'm gonna go and pick a thick marker. What is this? Are we out of the art section?
Yes.
I'm so good at this. I'm gonna pick myself a thick marker. I have a feeling this is green in color. Oh, these are punch crafts, craft punch, whatever you call it. So I think you have to put a paper, and when you press this, you get the shape of a paper cutout. I think I'm gonna pick one. It's going to be fun. Oh, this is the smallest one, I feel. This might be a butterfly. I think this might be a butterfly. Let's see. These are papers for sure. Let's explore textures and everything. I'm gonna get this one. These feel like stickers. I feel like I'm back in school. Oh, these could be alphabets. No, wait, these could be those diamonds, those stick-on diamonds. I'm gonna go down and see because I know Anupam has things down here as well. Sticks. Oh, I know what this is. This is rope. सुतली बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में. I'm gonna pick a nice color. I think I'll go with this one, and it's small. This is so awkward. I'm glad this door is not open. I think this is more yarn. Is it a wool? No, wait. This is a lot of tape. Oh, this is so soft. Whatever this is very soft. I think this is a lot of wool. I think. So what else could be this soft? A magnet strip, because this is very heavy. So I think this could only be a magnet strip. What else could be round and that heavy? I don't know. This could be a lot of glue, like Fevi, all the Fevi family, Fevi Bond, Fevi Quick, Fevi whatnot. I think I'm in a new aisle. Oh, I found something. Oh, I know what this is. Even in my sleep, I can tell what this is. These are those 3D tubes. I have to pick one up. There's a lot of them. This is a proper kit for something. Again, I don't know. Could be clay. I don't know. I need paint brushes. Oh, is this an easel and a canvas? This could be that. I think this is that. But this is only an easel. I can't feel the canvas. I'm gonna try and pick a smaller one. I don't want to ruin a big one. Where is a small canvas? This could be a small canvas. Yeah, I think this is a small canvas. I hope it is. And I don't think you're supposed to paint with poster colors on canvas, but we're gonna paint like that. Seems to find Are you paintbrushes, my friends? Are you paintbrushes? I think this is something to do with painting only. Let's get this, because I don't know what it is. I don't even have a wild clue. For all I know, these could be paintbrushes and I really need them. So I'm gonna get them. Oh, I think these are ice cream sticks. Yeah, these are ice cream sticks. Wait, I think I've already been here. Okay, let me go on the opposite side. Oh. These feel like flowers? Fake flowers? Oh, these are quilling strips. I think let's get one of this as well. It's been a while since I've quilled this one. I have a feeling this is black. I just feel it is black, but I hope it is not, because I want it to be colorful. I want to play with colors in this one. Oh, this I think is lace wala tape. I think I've covered all the aisles. I think this is it. This bag will determine what my art piece will turn out as. I'm gonna open the blindfold, but I won't see what all I picked. Oh my god. Shoot. Okay, this section is fine. I've dropped things in the painting section. Have I even picked up paints? Shit. Wow, oh my god, these are so colorful. There are pencils. Where are the paint brushes? Okay, there they are. I mean, I don't think I would have reached. Oh, there are more here. Shit. No worries. Let's go and find out if I got some. Out what my fate has in store for me and what all I picked up. I was right. These are brushes. But these are so huge. I've never had such big brushes. Quilling strips, I picked up a red. I was expecting a yellow, but red is still better than black. Then I told you these were flowers. I'm good. These are ready-made quilling flowers. What? My craft punch, which I thought was the butterfly, is a flower which is not that far away. Not bad. This one thing which I had no clue about, I still don't know what this is. These diamonds, oh, they are gold in color. I picked up a hexagon canvas. I'm so happy, and it's yellow. Oh, I already have this at home in a bigger version. I wish I picked a different design, but this shows I attract to flowers even when my eyes are shut. Then I do have poster colors, but by a different brand. I've never tried Dom's ka poster colors. And Apsara drawing pencil. Not bad. I have a pink marker. This is the 3D outliner. So it's multicolor, which I'm happy about. And I have yellow yarn. Wow, so I have to create a beautiful art piece with all these things. But this was good. I mean, I was pretty damn close with quite a few things, at least with what I've picked. So I'm happy. Let's make something. I'm gonna start with the canvas. It is for 95 rupees. It stands like that. Wow. 14 paints for 185 rupees. This whole set is for 695 rupees. So I have decided to play with the warm colors. So here are my thoughts on this. The canvas was great. Now this is my first time using a canvas, so I cannot really review it. But I had fun. It wasn't difficult to work with, even with poster colors. Now coming to the paints, love the quality, especially this agitator. So easy to mix the paints. I don't have to use toothpicks anymore. So love it. Like the paints are perfect. Even the brushes, I still don't quite understand what is different about them, but the quality, like the way my paint has been blending, is amazing. So these three things went well. Now it's time for the other things. Remember this one thing that I couldn't figure out what it was? It is pH paper. It shows whether the liquid is acid or base once you dip into it. I think if it's acidic, it turns red, and if it's basic, it'll turn blue. Now in this I have some lemon water. So I will take one sheet and dip it in. It turned red! Check that out, mates. 40 papers, 180 rupees. I'm gonna take this one. So let's open these flowers. Wow, these are so pretty. Look at them. I feel like these go pretty well with my painting. So I'm just gonna make them sit with my painting. So this craft punch is for rupees 30. Ooh. It's pretty hard to use. I'm just gonna make like a rough something like this, and in the middle I'll stick these 3 flowers for 40 rupees. Now I'm gonna use this marker. I don't know how much this one was for, but I think it was around 100 rupees. Fine nib side, highlighter kind of side. So we'll use both. Now I'll use my quilling strips. This whole pack was for 23 rupees. I didn't pick up any tool while I was blindfolded, so I'll just use my hand. So the whole pack of these crystals is for rupees 25. Oh, this is like a whole line. And now I'll be using my favorite 3D outliner. 22 rupees. This is for 25 rupees. This was my blindfolded stationery shopping challenge. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you have any more quirky ideas like this, let me know down below. Also, this time they've really expanded, because the last time we did the tour, the store was pretty different. So it's time for another Anupam tour, and I think I want to do that right after this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.